Hello YouTube. I'm going to attempt here to convert this this riser. That's a Samick red Stag riser. That is not ILF. See, that's there's like a normal bolt in there and an indexing pin. I'd like to convert that into an ILF and fit these ILF limbs that are win and win SF premium. These limbs are 34 pounds at 66 inches. I'm going to end up with a 60-inch bow, around 60 inch. So I believe I'm gonna match sort of a 40-pound AMO bow. I also bought these bolt assembly for ILF from Lancaster Archery. Everything is coming. I just bought everything from Lancaster Archery there. They pretty much had everything I needed. So that's that's pretty good. They even sent me with the riser. They sent me a string. So I looked a little bit on the internet, did some research. I did not find a lot of videos on YouTube that were converting riser to ILF. I saw a lot of pictures, but no, I didn't see any videos. So if you see some, you can send me a link. I'd like to see that. But anyway, this one is gonna hopefully make a difference there, and it's gonna show people how to do. This is the first time I'm doing this, so just let me know if there's anything you think I could be doing better, or any comments. I'm gonna happy to read them. So first thing to do is to remove the current bolt system. So in this case, there's an indexing pin, and there's the bolt, and there's the bolt insert. So I'm gonna remove the bolt insert, and to do that, you see I already did it on this side. So to do that, I found a bolt like in my junk. Just an old bolt that I'll be fitting in here. The thread is 18, and you have to tighten this up pretty good. There you go. And then you unscrew that whole thing there. And I'm actually gonna reuse these inserts because they're also the same size. They happen to be the same size as the ILF bolt, so that's just perfect. And once you're done, to remove it, you loosen that nut there, and you got your insert out of the bow. Alright, now for the indexing pin, the simplest way I found out is to use just a pair of vice grip. Be careful not to scratch the wood with it. So I'm just gonna grab on it like on the 1/16 from the riser wood, just and bring it tight. There you go. And just it's not too in this one, so it's just gonna look coming out. There you go. So indexing pin and the insert is out. So I got a nice riser with no insert in it. These holes gonna have to be plugged in. Right. Now I'm taking out just a little piece of fabric that was there, I guess for vibration. So I'll be removing what's left of it here and the glue. Alright, riser's really cleaned up, glue is all removed. The other thing I had to do is to see what's the angle on the riser, and so I put it on a square surface, and I measured the angle with the riser like this. and I measured the angle I had here from the surface to this side. So this is giving me ×2 the angle of the limbs individually. So basically, if you draw a line here, that would be the angle between that line and the riser plates here. And these are 18 degrees for the red stags. So that's just perfect. I'm gonna use it as is. I'm not gonna change the angle. So figuring things out here, ILF dovetail going into the limb. So just looking at how this is gonna look, what I need to do, and from what I can see is I'll have to put it so you guys can see. See, I'll have to move up the bolt here, the limb bolt, maybe 3/8 or 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch. Yeah, more than like 1/2 inch to make that fit here, because here would be too low. So like this. Alright, so next I thought I'd just you know, because since I'm gonna have to move the holes, I thought I would just use a normal dowel and plug the hole. But instead I'm just I found some scrap wood here, and I tried to match something that's gonna match the color of the riser, and I'm gonna make a dowel out of a piece of wood, and I'm gonna use a die to make like a wood screw out of it, and I'm gonna plug the hole with that with some glue, so it's gonna make a good tight bond. And as well for the pinhole, I'm gonna plug it, but I'm just gonna use a normal dowel because there's no that hole is not tapped, and it's also going to be covered with the ILF dovetail over it. So I'm just gonna use maple here.